Andy's Garage. I'm Andy Phillips. Today I'm going to show you how to change out the spark plugs on a Pontiac Fiero GT. This is the 2.8 liter, the V6, so you're going to need obviously 6 spark plugs to do that. These are fairly inexpensive. I picked these up actually at Advance Auto. If I ordered online, it was 25% off, so the whole thing came to just a little over 11 bucks to replace all 6 of them. They're telling me that they're already pre-gapped, but we're going to go ahead and check the gapping on them, make sure that's accurate before we put them in. So let's go ahead and get started with that.
Here's the items that you're going to need. Obviously your spark plugs. Next you're going to need a spark plug, a gap gauge, so that way you can get the right spacing on the gap. Then you're going to need your ratchet, and then 2 adapters. You're going to need a short one to get along the back firewall to spark plugs, and you'll need a medium-sized one to get the ones in the front near the trunk. And then you'll need this right here, which is it's a 5/8 or 16 millimeter spark plug socket that goes onto the ratchet. So let's go ahead and start taking them off. There we go. Cylinders 2, 4, and 6 have been removed. There is where they came out of. So now let's work our way to the firewall side, and we will remove 1, 3, and 5 so we can put the new ones in. Just to clarify the firing order, I believe I said it wrong, but this is the first cylinder, second cylinder, third, fourth, 5th, and then 6th. Got it. Just a little something to show you what happened. The camera there got hit, and I thought that I'd loosened it. What had happened? This thing snapped completely off. Luckily, thank God, this threaded piece stayed intact, so I was still able to pull that out. Otherwise, I'd be having a major issue having to take things apart to drill that out. So just be careful with that. Along that back wall is very tight and very awkward to try to get in there. So just be patient, take your time, because you don't want this to happen. All the plugs have been removed, and you can see they were in desperate need of being replaced. These things are in terrible condition. So we're going to swap them out now. We're going to get the new ones out and go ahead and set the right gap on them and then get them in. Get this car running again.
Okay, now that we have the old spark plugs out, we're ready to put the new ones in. I'm going to go ahead and make sure that the gaps are correct on these. I was told that they were pre-gapped, but we're going to double check. Just for the record, the Pontiac Fiero, the 2.8 liter V6, usually the gap is between 0.043 and 0.045. So that's what we're going to go ahead and check and make sure that that is correct. That way it fires properly for this vehicle.
Okay, we'll get out our gapping gauge. And we have 0.045, which is shown right here. So here you have 0.040, 0.044, and there's 0.045. So we'll shoot to be somewhere in between these two right here. Okay, that gap is way too tight. These are gapping in at about... It's way too tight. It's not even 0.040. So we're going to go ahead and open that up to be more in line with what it needs to be. Okay. Do this very gently because we do not want to break these. Okay. Let's try now. Oh, that's around 0.043 because here's 4 4s sliding in perfect. So I think I'm going to leave it at that. That's good. I'm going to go ahead and do the other ones, and then we're ready to put these in. All right, all of them are gapped properly. I set them right around 0.044 just to hit right in the middle of 4.3 and 4.5. But you can see here, there's the gap on them. I'll get a close-up of that for you. There it is there. And everything looks good. So we're ready to put these things in and get the car started. This is along the back firewall where the plugs were removed. Kind of get a view of it from back here. Okay, the new spark plugs are in place and tightened in accordingly. We're getting ready now to move on to the trunk side for the other three. Okay. And there they are.
Well, this wraps up our video on how to change out the spark plugs on a Pontiac Fiero GT. I hope this video helped you out. Please send any questions, any comments. I would love to hear from you. And as always, we appreciate all your support. So if you could like the video and subscribe to this channel, it would be greatly appreciated. And we'll see you next time.